happened really fast if you're gonna ask me honestly. So that's kind of what I started to do, where I literally got a couple artillery's X2 sidewinders in the clinic, and then one in my garage at home, and I started printing my own check sockets because I didn't want to send out my fabrication to a carver to get something done. I wanted to have that in my own pocket to be able to do that. So, I was literally in my garage, uh, you know, messing around with slicing profiles to get things going to, make my own check sockets. I was making my own 3D covers and things like that. It happened really fast, if you're gonna ask me honestly. And we started working with HP to move towards a um, powder-based 3D printing. And it all kind of started with a problem where we had, and kind of all solutions start with a problem, where we had a clinician that was with us for many, many years, and he had a patient that really could not take too much distal discomfort or distal contact at all. So we'll just see. So we sent this basically what we have over here is this prototype that we were working on um, for distal latticing and uh, cushioning that we're working on for a couple different projects to HP that did our prototype printing for it and sent that out to the patient, and she loved it. So all of a sudden that kind of got the gears turning. It's like, all right, got uh, our HP 5200 system that David and HP have been really great with helping us out and getting us going with that, where we print both rigid PA12 and then flexible TPU BSSF TPU, where yeah, it was kind of a crazy thing where I kind of told Lonnie, I was like, hey man, if you were gonna tell me that we were gonna be going right into it maybe a year after I started, I wouldn't have believed you. But it's been really great where we started a kind of a um, soft opening where we worked on getting things going with TPU for a lot of liners